How to log in into Best Buy credit card account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Best Buy credit card login. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the very first option that says city.com. You will then be led to the login portal of Best Buy. Go ahead and enter your user ID, and if you want the device to remember your user ID, then tap on the Remember My User ID checkbox. Further, go ahead and enter your password and tap on the Sign On button, and with this, you will be logged in to Best Buy credit card account. And just in case if you do not remember your login credentials, then you can tap on the Retrieve User ID or Reset Password option respectively and recover your login credentials and log in further. So this is how you can log in to Best Buy credit card account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.